So first, ears, simple. Exposure to loud noises over time destroys our ears. The louder it is, the quicker it destroys our ears. It's a simple kind of function, quiet stuff, but pretty much anything outside of the normal range, if it's starting to get high, over time will damage our hearing. So we really have to be careful about that because, of course, who wants to lose their hearing? It makes life more dangerous for us because we don't hear hazards or dangers that might be stalking us, coming after us. Okay, most of us don't have to deal with the wild animals that are stalking us, but it's more like cars backing up, people running into us, things like that.